In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record advance payment to vendors in QuickBooks and adjust it from bills. If you ever need to pay a vendor before they actually send you the final bill, QuickBooks gives you a simple way to record that payment first and then connect it later when the bill arrives. This helps keep your books accurate and makes sure the vendor payment is not counted twice. To begin, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks and click the plus icon. This is where you can create new transactions, and it's the starting point for entering the advance payment properly. From the menu, select Expense or Write Check. The option you choose usually depends on how the payment was made. If you paid electronically, expense is often the better fit. If you issued a physical check, then Write Check may be more appropriate. Both options serve the same purpose here, which is to record the advance payment made to the vendor. Next, enter the details of the expense. Be sure to choose the correct vendor so that QuickBooks can later match this payment with the bill from that same vendor. Then fill in the payment date, the payment method, the bank or payment account used, and the amount paid. Review the information carefully before moving on, since accuracy at this stage will make the adjustment process much smoother later. Once everything is entered, save the transaction. At this point, the advance payment has been recorded in your books, even though the vendor bill has not yet been created. Later, when you receive or create the bill for that same vendor, enter the bill as you normally would. While working on that bill, QuickBooks allows you to select the previously created expense or check and apply it against the bill. This is the key step that links the advance payment to the actual amount owed. It ensures the earlier payment is properly adjusted instead of being treated as a separate, unrelated transaction. After you apply that previous expense or check to the bill, review the final balance to confirm everything looks correct. If the advance payment covered the full bill, the bill may show as fully paid. If it only covered part of the bill, then only the remaining balance will still be due. That's all there is to it. By recording the advance payment first and then applying it when the bill is created, you can keep vendor records clean, organized, and accurate in QuickBooks.